Hello students, so we are going to start with the subtopic in determination of income and employment. The subtopic is effect of autonomous change in equilibrium demand in the product market. As you can see in this page, it is written over there what are the determinants of the equilibrium value of aggregate demand and the fixed price. In other words, what governs whether the equilibrium aggregate demand would be 250 or 210 or 290 in the above example. Example has been given before this and we have studied about in the previous video. The equilibrium output and the aggregate demand and the fixed price interest rate are derived by the solving the equation y equal to AD. Income means here what we are talking, we are not talking about the saving, we are talking about how much income is there. We are expenditure, we are doing expenditure with a whole income, that is a bar. A bar means autonomous consumption or minimum consumption, you can say, plus a bar plus c and y, consumption and income. It is an equation and borrowing with the variable that is y, the solution of equation. And we can write is this like this: y means national income equal to a bar means autonomous consumption by I minus c. I means investment, 1 minus c, and c is the consumption. The value of y will be therefore depends on the value of parameter on the right hand side, which is a bar and c in case. What income? Because with the help of income we are doing the minimum consumption or the consumption. In the web example, the equilibrium value of aggregate demand, that is 250, and hence the position in the single pane of the aggregate demand schedule that we have derived so far will depend upon the value of these parameters. And compare the equation. When we are going to compare the situation, AD means aggregate demand is equal to a bar means autonomous consumption, or you can say minimum consumption, plus cy, consumption multiply income, with the equation of the straight line of the standard form, that is b equal to c plus ma. As discussed, we have discussed this formula above also in the previous videos also. When C is increases, a straight line represent the equation of aggregate demand with swing upward. As you can see in the diagram, that is in the figure, that from 0 to a very straight line, that is create a 45-degree of angle. That means our income is increasing day by day, right? And when we are talking about two AD diagrams, curves are there which shows the autonomous consumption plus cy, and one more AD is given when our income has been generated or increased, we can say increase. तो सपोज आई बार यानी ऑटोनोमस इन्वेस्टमेंट, आई बार मीन सिंपल इंक्रीजेस फ्रॉम 10 to 20. व्हाट विल हैपन इन इक्विलिब्रियम? यदि इन्वेस्टमेंट बढ़ता है तो अपने आप डिमांड जो है इंक्रीज हो जाता है और इसका मूवमेंट A1 से A2 बन जाता है. इज इट क्लियर? मीन्स A bar 1 to A bar 2. Now these value differ by change in minimum investment, that is 10. Here we have taken the example of 10 as a minimum investment, that is change in investment, क्योंकि second investment हमारा 20 हुआ है और first investment 10 है, और दोनों को subtract करते हैं, we get 10. The increment in the autonomous investment and slope of AD line, that is 0, is less than saving, less in consumption, less than investment, and their intercepts of the vertical axis, that is autonomous consumption. And autonomous consumption, when investment changes, the autonomous consumption also changes. And AD lines were flatter, and AD line जो flatter हो जाती है, जो 45 का डिग्री क्रिएट करती है, right? Thus when the level of autonomous expenditure is economy is A, the AD of intersect 45, जहाँ पर हमने E point पे locate किया है. In this way we can draw the diagram by the planned and the full employment we are going to show on this. Note that the new equilibrium output and aggregate demand have increased by the अमाउंट ऑफ EG। है यू कैन सी कि हर एक चीज़ें बढ़ी हैं। जब हमारा इन्वेस्टमेंट में चेंजेस हुआ है तो हमारे हर पॉइंट्स में चेंजेस हुआ, और जब हर पॉइंट्स में चेंज हुआ है तो इक्विलिब्रियम में चेंजेस हुआ है और हमारा नेक्स्ट AD ड्रॉ होता है। एंड दस एन initial increase in the autonomous expenditure seen to be have over effect of the equilibrium value of aggregate demand and output. What cause aggregate demand and output of increase by the amount larger than the size of the initial increment autonomous expenditure? ये सारा जो मूवमेंट है वो डिपेंड करता है हमारा इन्वेस्टमेंट या डिमांड का एक्सपेंडिचर हमने कितना किया है। व्हेन नेक्स्ट इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो दैट इज मल्टीप्लायर mechanism.